Hey everyone, welcome back to our Laravel Filament CMS series. So in the last video, we discussed about how we can create menu in our backend. Not only that, we integrate that menu in our frontend using the view composables, and also we cache the menus, right? So in this video, we'll move forward, and what we'll do is we'll see how we can generate the menu dynamically. Because if I go see test menu, then I need to pass the menu manually. But if we do this, it will not shoot, right? It can be wrong or anything because we are integrating this system in front-end part. So if I'll show you here in my web.php, you can see ignore these two routes, they are just to show the pages, right? So for now we have two routes in our system except home page, right? So one will be the category page and another will be it can be either post or it can be either page, right? It can be anything. So what I have done is, if any route that will come with category, and I'm just using the route model binding method here, right? You can use model and make is slug as a primary there, or for now I am just doing like this. So it will handle the category part. Suppose if let me just check here. Suppose Laravel is there. So if I go and say category / Laravel, it will DD the Laravel here, right? So this will be our category post. For now I am not showing the real front end part, we are just checking, so I am just DD that. So the next thing is I am using this slug as a fallback URL, or you can say it is as a post URL, anything you can see, right? For this, what is the reason is, suppose I have a page about us. So in my system, if my user goes to about us, then it should automatically check the slugs, right? So meaning that if any slug is here, suppose about us or contact us, anything can be there, because we don't want to show it like post contact us or page / contact us, right? So it is not a good route, right? So we'll just use a single slug. So for that, about us, so for that what I can do it, since we only have slug, I can say post slug, and then instead of this I can get directly post, right? And let me DD the post here. Suppose now if I see here, now I can see that post here. So this will be my default post page. Still the same logic, it's currently only dump the data, it is not working perfectly for the page view. We'll open that. So now the part is how we can create the menu, right? Suppose now I want to create a menu for this about us. I will say about us, and then what I want is automatically it should be, the URL should be like this / about us. So if it's the category, suppose I want the menu for Laravel, and then automatically it should be /category / Laravel. So this is how it should work, and let's start with that. So first of all, let me go to my menu item widget. So in our form, so we will add some things after title. The first thing is we will add a select, so that let's say type, right? So the options will be, one can be category if they want to show the category page, one can be post if they want to show the post page, one can be page if they want to show page. Let us make it required, right? So now I can switch between category, or I want to show post or page. Perfect. So after that, now we will create another select option for category. let's say slug, right? So options. So there are many ways to do this. You can only make a single slug, right, to choose, and we can filter that in options, of course. Like if I will make here slug and I will get this. So let's do in that way. I think it will be new, right? So I will get here get. So here in the option get if get type, I want to get this type, right? If get type is category, then it should return category is to I think we have active, maybe. If I go back here, yes, we have a scope active block with just one name comma slug, right? So here you can see I am using slug because instead of id, because I am using slug here, right? That's the purpose. So else if get type equals to post, if it's post, then what I will do is post is to, then I think I should have a post scope. Okay, we don't have that. Let me create this public function scope post return. The return type should be builder. Return $this where type is post type is to post, right? Only the post type should be here. Similarly for scope page, we use page, right? So now I can say post block, same here. I have title here and then the slug. So if I refresh here, let's see what. Now I can see directly the slug, but if I click on category, I didn't get anything. The reason is it's not dynamic. So to make it dynamic, we can use live and unblur true, so that it will be only O if the focus is out of that field, not only, right? So let me just check it. Suppose if I will do category, I can see categories perfect. If I will do post, I can see post perfect. If I will do page, I can't see anything. That is also perfect. Let me just, okay, it's duplicated. So it should be page and I can see page. So now the slug is here. We have a slug now, right? So now let's see category. Okay, it's working perfectly. We can implement searchable here and then preload. So now in URL, what we can do is we can either add suffix action, right? We can either add prefix action, right? So we have already learned about this. So today we will try to learn new thing, that is hint action. So what we will do is we'll create an action generate slug. Perfect. So what will this action do? This way, let's have a one closer. Let's say it will have a method. It will have get and $set, right? Okay, put this set. So now I need to get that slug, get that type, and on the basis of that type I need to make the slug, right? So what I can do is $slug equals to, I can use match statement, get type, right? So if the type is category. Then the slug should start with /category dot get slug, right? So if it's post, then it should be only $get slug. If it's if it's page, then it should be get page, get slug. And in case of default, it should be null. I don't want anything to be shown here, right? But after that it's simple. I want to set the URL that slug. Simple. You can do this as action after state updated too, right? So this is for just for loading new things. So now you can see an action. Let's see. Let me create about us. Let's say it is a page. It shows about us. Generate slug. Perfect. Okay, it did not add the. Let me quickly add that slash. Right. So let's see it. So we have this. Okay, let's create two. One is okay about us from post page. About us. This is page about us. Generate slug. Great. I'm not doing anything else. So next create, let's say this post menu. So it is post menu. Let me just take any one post. Same thing. Great. Perfect. So similarly now I will say category menu. So if I go back to category, let's say programming and generate slug. Okay, here is also one mistake. We did not do this. So let's try it again. This is category menu, and then let's see category, programming, generate slug. That's it. So this is the hint action, right? So great. And if I go back here, now you can see I have about us. Exactly that is here in our page. We have post menu, and then similarly we have category programming. As we expected, we get the result. So this is for this video. So in the next video, if you guys want me to create a video on showing this data on front end, like how we can show it for each page, then please comment down. I will create on that. Else we will move. I will just code on myself and push the code in Git, and then we will move further on another topic. Thank you guys.